We are working hard to maintain our roads across the county. But with the high levels of traffic that we are all aware of, this challenge is never ending. At the end of 2021, we approved an extra £5.8 million to carry out extra maintenance work. This is in addition to the annual £20.4 million highways maintenance budget and will cover extra patching work on road surfaces and repair more potholes. It will improve pavements, replace ageing road signs, bollards and posts, and help to refresh lines and road markings. On top of that, we have secured £3.1 million extra funding each year for the next 10 years in order to further invest in our road network. With the additional funding, we've doubled this year's patching programme. This enables us to repair even more defects and potholes on our roads. When an area of road has several potholes, it is far more cost-effective and longer lasting to cut out and patch the entire area to prevent further defects appearing, rather than to fill in the individual potholes. Depending on the issues, we use a wide range of methods and materials to repair our roads, including dense, hot rolled asphalt, which is very hard wearing and offers a lifespan of more than 20 years. This makes it ideal for our more heavily trafficked roads with HGVs and buses. This year, we will also complete over 28 miles of surface dressing, which is roughly the distance from County Hall in Lewes to Hastings Pier. Surface dressing is a process to seal and waterproof the road surface by spraying it with hot liquid bitumen, followed by a layer of stone chippings to provide good grip. This can prolong the life of a road by over 10 years and is very useful in maintaining our lighter trafficked roads. Similar to surface dressing, micro asphalt is a treatment used to seal and re-profile the existing road surface and improve skid resistance. A heated pre-mixed slurry of bitumen and stone is spread onto the road, which rapidly cools to form a new road surface ready for traffic within 30 minutes. This year, more roads will be treated with micro asphalt to extend their lives by up to 10 years. These are just some of the ways that we can ensure East Sussex keeps moving, and you can find out more at eastsussexhighways.com/highway-schemes.